arithmetic progression. Let us go through some of the terms which are involved in arithmetic progression. The first one is a sequence. A sequence is defined as an arrangement or order of numbers where each element follows a certain general pattern from the beginning or after some terms. For example, 1, 3, 5 or -2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, etc. All these are examples of sequences where these form a certain pattern, maybe right from the beginning or after some terms. For example, 1, 3, 5, so on. Second, -4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Third, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on. Fourth, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so on.